Hey y'all, it is Kandi and I am here bringing you a keto icing recipe. This recipe is going to be perfect if you want an icing for cookies or a filling for a cake. It is delicious and it is quick. So let's jump right into it. Right here I have some softened cream cheese and butter, and I'm just going to beat that together. Put in some powdered sweetener, vanilla, and some heavy whipping cream, and it is as simple as that. So I have my butter and my cream cheese mixed thoroughly together, and now I'm just going to add in my powdered sweetener. I'm also going to dump in my vanilla extract at this time as well. And you're just going to drizzle in the heavy whipping cream as you need it. It's going to be about 1 to 2 tablespoons. You can always add in more of the heavy whipping cream as you need it, so just don't add in too much at once. All right, so our frosting is done. It takes less than 5 minutes to make this, you guys, and this can store up to a week in the fridge. And if you want to store it longer than that, you can put it in the freezer. You can use it on your mug cakes, you can use it on your cookies, ice cream, anything else that you think that you would want to have some frosting on. So I'm going to put this in the fridge right now, and I'm actually going to try out Chef Fat Gram's keto cookie recipe. I've been seeing it for a couple weeks now, and I have not had the chance to try it out. So it looks delicious, and I am going to make it, and we are going to try out this frosting on it and have ourselves a little keto Oreo. All right, thank you all for joining me today, and I will put the link up here for the cookie recipe that I'm going to try out of Chef Fat Gram. So if you guys want to check that out and see how it turns out, I would highly appreciate it. If you guys liked this recipe, consider liking, subscribing, and sharing it with a friend who you think might enjoy a keto frosting on their next cookie. Thanks for joining me. Bye.